Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to activate Meta AI Chatbot on WhatsApp. So if you have updated your WhatsApp application and go to your community and start having conversation or start asking questions to Meta AI, all you have to do is to select a specific conversation, type at, and then Meta AI. So as you can see here, it's not yet available in my country, so I cannot use or this feature is not yet available on my WhatsApp too. So if in your country you have this, all you have to do is to update your WhatsApp application in order for you to activate this one or get this one. So to do that, if you're using Android, go to Play Store. If you're using Apple, go to App Store and then type WhatsApp here. And if you can see this update button, or if you can see update button, all you have to do is tap it one and then update. So when you go back to your WhatsApp, then you should see this Meta AI or this feature should be available. So by the way, what is this WhatsApp Meta AI? So you can use Meta's extra services such as Meta AI and other characters on WhatsApp to get answers to your inquiries, learn new things, or generate ideas. Select from a variety of characters, each with their own personality and set of interests, or have a conversation with Meta AI. So all you have to do is select any character right here, Meta AI, and then you can also tap this learn, sports, pop culture, adventure if you want to ask some questions related to these categories. So to start, you just have to tap Meta AI or go to the specific conversation, and then here you can ask whatever you want. So if it's all about nature, it's about human, or anything under the sun. So you can just simply type it on the box here or text box, and then you can ask question and then press enter or send. Then Meta AI will answer you. You can tap at Meta AI or you can simply ask anything here. So that's the advantage of Meta AI. You can just simply use Meta AI in WhatsApp group chats to ask questions or get advice. So you will be able to see messages as what Meta AI responds as. So it depends on your question too. So messages from Meta AI and other characters are generated by artificial intelligence. So again, once activated, you just have to look for the character or you can click or tap a specific conversation right here and then ask anything. Aside from that, Meta AI also can generate a specific or describe an image. So all you have to do is to tap this Meta AI if you want questions or slash imagine if you want to generate an image. So for example, if you're looking for a boy kicking a ball or everything is up to you. You just have to type keywords here or prompts and then Meta AI or WhatsApp Meta AI will give you the answer according to whatever you type here. Meta AI is indeed very advantage and helpful, especially if you are looking for exact answers. Like if you're studying or if you're doing some research, you can ask at Meta AI who was the founder of Twitter or Facebook or something like that. And of course, WhatsApp Meta AI will answer you with this question. So for example, you can ask who was the founder of Facebook, and then Meta AI will answer you. The founder of Facebook is Mark Zuckerberg, and then so on. Okay, so you can ask more. You can add follow-up questions after this. Also, you can tap the message icon on WhatsApp and you will see this new AI chat. So it's either you can go to a specific message or Meta AI message, or you can tap the message icon and you will see this new AI chat. And you can tap this and do the same thing. You can ask questions or you can generate image. So yeah, that's how you activate this Meta AI on WhatsApp. So you can chat, you can tap this learn, you can ask someone who is expert in sport, in pop culture, in adventure, and so on. So again, an AI-powered virtual assistant built inside of WhatsApp is called the Meta AI Chatbot. Through their discussions, users may now engage directly with Meta AI's cutting-edge AI technology thanks to this novel feature. So again, to activate, make sure that you have the updated version of WhatsApp. Find the icon for Meta AI. Look for a new icon at the top of your WhatsApp conversation, which is usually a round purple blue circle. Step 3, you just have a conversation. To initiate the Meta AI chatbot, simply tap the symbol and then ask anything. So you can use Meta AI to help you with some, research and to answer you with some questions related to whatever you ask. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.